And so far, I have done nothing except giving prompt. Once you are on SiteGround homepage, you will find this app or site builder, Codric AI. So once you are on this, you can click on Get Trial, and then you will see this build apps and site with Codric AI. You just have to give a prompt on what you're looking for. Some of the options here given, as you can see: task planner, invoice tracker, portfolio site, simple CRM site, or a movie tracker. So whatever you're going to give a prompt, and if you have an image, you can share that image also by clicking here. You can add an image reference of a website if you have any idea, or even without that, that's fine as long as you're giving the right prompt. Now here we will type the code. For ease, I have already typed and I will copy paste the code here and also take you through the entire code on what instruction have been given. So it's always right input is equal to right output. Here you can see build a simple calming one-page website for professional sound healer. So this gives an instruction that this website is for the sound healer, and the website should clearly explain what sound healing is for anyone who is coming in, describe how sound healing session work, and then present session option with prices. Then it invites visitor to book a session and then encourage joining the Facebook community. So the whole idea is to bring together a community, and when you have any such community, a common forum, it helps the community who joins with the answers what they are looking for and builds the trust and community of similar people who are going through similar things, and also for a sound healer to effectively communicate to the large group of audience together, and also build the trust what requires. It's not just about business, right? It's about building trust and being there as a service provider to them and being transparent. So all those things come in place. Then the page section, which is a hero section. Here, headline explaining sound healing for relax and balance, short supporting sentence, call to action button, book a session, and join the community. So this is where you will invite them to either book a session or join the community. So all that is captured here. And then what is sound healing? That detail is being given. Brief, easy to understand explanation. Then mention vibration, sound frequencies, and deep relaxation. Those who are into sound healing, they know what is being talked about. And the healing process, simple step by step describing of what happens during the session, what clients may experience, and then session and pricing. Again, this is required for it to show what is the session type, duration, and price. Book now button for each option, and then for the community to join on the Facebook group. That thing is again made clear, and benefit of being part of the community. So footer is where the contact email and social link, disclaimer, everything will come. And then design style, I have again given a prompt: minimal, peaceful, professional, soft color, clean typography, mobile friendly, and fast loading. No unnecessary feature. So in the prompting, you are basically giving instructions on what exactly is needed. Unless you know what you want, you will not get what you want. So it's always the right input is equal to right output. Now that this is given, you can just go and click this button here. And you see it's work in progress. I am not touching the keyboard. I'm not doing anything. Codric AI is doing rest of the process. Let's see how much time it takes to build this website for the instruction what is given. It's thinking, and you can see this tip section. You can attach an image, use it as a reference for your design. I have not given, but if you have a design which you have thought about, you can add that part here. And here it says, I'll create a beautiful, calming, sound healing website with soft colors, clean design, and peaceful aesthetic. Here is what the implementation plan is. So everything is being given to you one by one for you to, in case you have to give any input, you can give that input. Once everything is done, I'll show you how. See, we have some more details. Here it says, would you like to customize the pricing, add more session type, or include contact form instead of email link? All this question you can answer here. And let's go one by one. This is the current version of website, what is being given. And soft purple, blue gradient color scheme. What color it is, that is given. And you can see here, this is the desktop version and this is the mobile version. So once you go on mobile version, you see how it will look on mobile. These are the pricing. This is the join Facebook community link. So right now, this is bare minimum. And if you click on preview, this is how the live website will look once the website goes live. Okay, so far with just the prompt, all of this have been built. Now let's come back to this view, and here you see right now there are no images. And if I have to again give instructions, it will eat up the credit. So here again I'll use a smart prompt. So let me paste that. Update the existing Sound Healer website without changing layout, content structure, or text unless required. Make the following additive changes only: image and visuals, adding a calming hero image in the hero section, sound bowls, meditation, soft light, neutral tones, add subtle supporting images or extract texture to other sections to avoid a dull look. Keep image minimal, soft and consistent with a peaceful wellness aesthetic. Do not overcrowd the page. And in the content section, replace the contact email link with a simple contact form. So what will contact form do? It will ask the user to leave their email ID, and then you will be able to reach out to them instead of them writing to you one-on-one. And form field will have name, email, and the message, and then include send button. Keep styling clean and minimal. Add a short confirmation message after submission, and then constraint: do not regenerate the full website, do not rewrite existing copy, do not add new sections, only enhance visual and replace email with form. Keep changes lightweight and efficient. So all these instructions what I have given is to ensure that the credit what you have is not burnt doing a repetitive task. So with this instruction, again click here, and again thinking and work is in progress. So we are not doing too many changes to the website. All the missing links are being put together, and this is how you start building the website. And within no time, you will have your website ready for publish. Now it says I'll make the image clearly visible by reducing the overlay opacity. Here is my implementation plan. So the plan is given and the process is working. This is running here. Once you click on usage, you see the limit what credit usage has and how much is being used, that is shown, and how many are remaining, that is also shown. So the idea is to use the least possible credit and get our work done. This current version, you can see the image has been added, and let me click on the preview. You see here the image in the hero section has been added, and then again here it is a little opaque, but the image has been added. And so far I have done nothing except giving prompt. So this looks okay. There is this booking section, join the community section, and in case you want to enhance this image visually, you just need to give a prompt to make this image more prominent, and AI will do that for you. You can see image are now clearly visible with reduced overlay opacity of 40 to 50% on hero. So right now it is at 40 to 50%. You can increase or decrease to make it more prominent, 15% on supporting section. So any changes you want to make, you just need to update this, what percentage you need to reduce on hero and all other supporting section. Now for the mobile preview, once you click here, the mobile preview also looks good. Okay. And these are the price points, what is shown. And remember, right now it's only the user interface. You need to connect links over here. If you just click here, this is a demo mode. Okay. So all of the links will have to be connected for a book a session. When someone comes and clicks here, it has to lead to that book a session page where the booking will happen with the price. And if they have to join a community, when they click here, it should take to the Facebook group. In case when you're working on the website, you need a database. Let me show this to you. This Pocket database will automatically generate once project need one. When your project requires a Pocket based database, it will automatically created for you. No manual setup is needed. Inside, you can organize your data into collections, manage user authentication, define access rule, and store files. So all of this you will get based on the need, and AI is going to let you know whether it is getting used or not. Once you have reviewed this and you're happy with the outcome, you can just go and get this published. And once this is published, you will have the option to go edit and add those links what is required for here to be added. So the AI is getting all the hard work for you, and once that is done, all you need to do is add the right links for the website to start functioning. You can come to your Coderix project, which is under this website, and once you're here, you can go and create a label. So let me name this sound healing. Okay, and add. Now you see the label has changed to sound healing. So that's how you do this. And once you add the domain, the website will be all good to go live. So guys, you saw how simple it has become with just few prompts to build a website. Do check this out and hopefully you like the video. Thanks for watching.